Welcome to Email Blaster Analytics. In this video we're going to take a look at the average user journey. When a user clicks on a link in your email and lands on your website, Insight will automatically track their journey across your site. Analytics then builds a picture of what the average journey looks like. For example, if 10 users each visited 3 pages, you'll see the most common paths they took. This helps you understand how visitors typically move across your website. So from here we can see a ranking of the most popular first page took, and that was 9 visitors. If we click on the next tile, we can see the most popular second page that visitors chose to land on. And we can see down here there was a 66% drop-off rate, so we had 9 people on the first page, but only 6 people still with us viewing a second page. And finally, page 3. Again, we had 3 people who viewed page 3, and that was a 50% drop-off rate compared to page 2. And there's a ranking of the most popular third page visited. And that's a quick look at understanding our average user journey. See you in the next one.